Right, good evening everybody. It's time for macaroni and cheese now. So, the kettle has boiled so that it helps the little gas stove, so that the pasta water is already hot. So, for mac and cheese, it's very easy. It's all just the same. If you use 2 cups of mac, then you use 2 cups of milk and you use 2 eggs. If you use 3 cups of mac, then you use 3 cups of milk and you use 3 eggs. Boom, boom, boom. Fantastic. We're using 2 because we're 2 people. So it should be big enough. Okay. Pot. Oh dear. Mac. But where's the scissors for the mac?
Just underneath you.
Oh. Right.
And for those people who don't know what mac is...
Oh, it's macaroni. It's macaroni pasta.
You have to be specific.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Well, anyway, now, cup. Macaroni in cup. Oh dear.
Oh dear.
I'm missing. Oh, I'm missing more.
Missing.
Don't tell anyone. 1 cup. Two cups.
My, that looks like a lot of macaroni.
No, that looks perfect, I think, because it's in that big pot. It's going to be fine, and I'm very hungry. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now you put salt in. I'm sorry about the lighting, it's terrible. But, what can you do? And you just go until you feel it in your bones to stop. Okay, so there's some salt. Okay, right. Now we need to get this on the stove. Our little gas stove, and on goes pot. And quickly, we grab the boiled kettle and in goes the water. Oh, dearie me.
Is it spitting?
Spitting, yes. There we go.
There we are.
Right, now we need to stir.
You need to agitate your macaroni.
Oh,
Otherwise it sticks to the base of the pot.
Yeah, once you've added the water, it like glonks together, so you need to de-glonk it.
Very technical cookery terms here.
Yes, of course, don't you know? It's very, very gourmet. It's my kitchen, I can do what I want.
And you cook your macaroni like you would any other pasta, al dente, because you don't want it overcooked because it still needs to bake further, and then it sort of goes squishy and limp, and it really does not go
then
nice.
It goes all big and wobbly and disgusting. Yeah, no.
You don't want that.
No.
So make sure, rather undercook than overcook.
Oh, yes.
In this case.
Yes, definitely. Okay, but we can... Oh dear, I don't think we can make this sauce yet because our bowl is too small. Because we need 2 cups of milk in here and we need 2 eggs. And then we need to zhuzh that all together.
Well, maybe we're going to have to make it backwards. In other words, you beat the eggs,
Beat them.
in there, and then you mix them with your milk, actually in the big pot itself. And
Yes.
then when your macaroni is ready, you water it off, and you just add the macaroni to the
Yes.
milk sauce, and then you just chuck the cheese in and just...
And just agitate the cheese.
Yes.
I think that's a plan. Let's do that.
Yes, because we usually add a little cheese, macaroni, cheese, mix the macaroni and the cheese, and then pour all of the juiciness over the top of it. So we just do it backwards.
Yes. Yeah, this is camp cooking. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it'll work. I'm sure it'll work.
Okay, now we must do the eggs.
Right. Are you doing 2 eggs?
Yes. Now, for the amounts, you could use 3 eggs, but just for ease, it's easier just to keep it boom, 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 you know? 2, 2, 2. So we'll just go with 2.
Okay.
These eggs, they don't say if they're jumbos or not. I don't know. It doesn't look like a jumbo, but anyway.
No, it doesn't look like a jumbo.
Okay, hold thumbs. Oh dear, it's a hard egg. It didn't even crack. Okay, here we go again. More force. There we go.
There. Helmeringhausen has very, very strong eggs.
Gracious, oh dear. And then, of course, if you get a little bit of shell involved, you just stick your finger in and remove it.
But the egg is good.
The egg is good, yes. Okay, so now we need another one. Oh, what if it's off? I think I'll do it in the cup.
Okay.
Just to make sure that it's not off, and then we've spoiled the good egg. Okay, and force. Oh dear, that was too much force. There we go. I think that looks good.
No, that's good.
There's shell in. Okay.
Oh, no. What are you doing?
Oh no! Oh no, there's shell in. Okay. You shouldn't be filming me picking out shell. Wait, I'll pour it in here and then I'll pick it out. There we go. And then...
You do not need to make such sound effects.
And... No, I'm going to have to use something else. My fingers aren't working. No, that's not working either. Never mind, we'll just eat shell, shall we? There we go. But these eggs, people, they're very, very small.
Do you think you need a third?
So I think we're going to have to do a 3rd egg. But if you have jumbo eggs, they should work too. But if you have anything less than a jumbo, then add 3. So here we go. We'll do 3. Because they look so tiny. There we go. Shellless.
Oh, well done, you.
I know. There we go. Okay. So whoever gets the bit of shell wins the prize.
And you must keep quiet if you get the bit of shell, because then everybody else will want one. And only you get the shell. Really? The best.
Oh my word. Stop it. Help, it's not boiling over. Okay, quickly.
Quickly.
Is it all...
Oh my word, it's like... Oh, wait, there it goes.
Oh, saved it just in time.
Just in time.
Oh wow. I think that's probably good enough.
Yes, because it does get baked further, and then you don't want those limp
Yeah.
tubes of macaroni. You don't want a limp tube.
Oh dear. Okay. Next, grating cheese. For the macaroni and cheese, of course, otherwise it would be just macaroni.
An egg.
Yes. So, nice, lots of cheese you want to make it very cheesy. And you can use any cheese you want. We're using cheddar, but I think cheddar is probably the best. But you can have a combo, you know, and put different cheeses in with the cheddar.
How are you doing on that fantastic grate?
No, I'm winning. I'm winning.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
Oh, it's very great. Yes. Yeah. But you see, it's the only grate we have space for. When we're out there on the road, you need small grates. These big, clunky ones, they fit nowhere.
Yeah, the box grate doesn't work.
No, even if you've got a small box grate, it still doesn't work. You need one of these flat ones. Okay, do you think that's enough cheese? More cheese?
I think you could afford a little
more cheese, okay.
Just for luck.
You're grating for luck.
You've always got to add a little bit for luck.
You know, if you're not sure, just add some more. I think that's okay.
If you like it super cheesy, go for more cheese. If you're not so into cheese, go for less cheese. But then why are you making macaroni and cheese if you're not into cheese?
Yeah. True. I think that's enough.
Okay.
Right, where's the milk? Oh, no, wait.
I need to water off the pasta.
Oh, okay, you do that. Okay. Time to lubricate the pot
With a spot of oil that we're just going to smear around the sides with a bit of kitchen towel. Well, that should be good.
I think that's enough.
Yes. In our little petrol jerry can.
Yes, our little red jerry can.
But it's not petrol, it is cooking oil.
Right, now you begin to smear. You see,
And you get to smear up the sides
smear
too,
up the sides and smear up the sides.
just so that it doesn't stick.
Yes,
Otherwise you're never going to get that pot clean.
yes. Okay, now for the rest of the sauce we need milk. You've seen the eggs, now we need milk.
So we've decided to change it up
Yes,
and to do it the way we always do it and hope that the bowl is going to be big enough.
yes. So, same cup you measured your macaroni in is the same amount of milk. So, oh dear, I hope we can have enough milk.
Okay, whoa.
Whoa.
Oh dear, our bowl is going to be a bit
No, the
small.
bowl's going to be too small.
Oh dear.
Well, we've added one
cup of milk.
1 cup of milk. So I think what we'll do is in this bowl we'll add all the salt and everything. And the pepper. And then we'll just chuck the other cup of milk in afterwards.
That should work.
Yeah. Okay, so you salt it. Hope that's okay. And then you put some pepper. Just till you feel it in your bones both times. There's no measures there. And you mix. And then you...
And the pasta must go in the pot.
Oh yes. Oh dear. Okay, shake it. Oh dear. It's stuck.
Wait,
Oh, there it goes.
there it goes.
That was nearly overboard. Okay.
Now,
In we go. Put it in the pot. There we go, lovely.
there we are.
There's the macaroni
In the pot.
Yes. Okay, so now we have to add our sauce.
Do you want to add a smattering of cheese so long, just in it, and mix it through? And then we can put a little on top.
You can put a bit in now, I suppose.
Yes.
And you just sprinkle randomly cheese into the hot pasta, and then you're going to have to mix it, which is always a bit of an issue because then, you know, the cheese starts to melt and you've got to be quick, Okay.
That's good enough, eh?
I think that looks very smashing.
And now you just pour your sauce over the top.
Yes, but we're not finished with our sauce. We still need an extra milk.
I know.
In goes the sauce with all the salt that stayed behind.
We'll put the extra milk in there and then you wash out the salt with the extra milk.
Yes, okay, so milk. Another cup. Go for it, go for it. I think that'll be fine.
Oh,
It's
that
close
should
enough.
be good, yes. It's near as damn it is to swearing, like Granny always said.
Yes. Okay, so there we go. Now we need to wash out this little pot with all the salt and then add it in there. Get in there, salt. Okay.
I suppose if you give it a bit of a whirl.
Now we just need to mix it again so that the cheese distributes again.
Okay.
And then we add more cheese.
And then you just put the rest of the cheese all over the top.
Oh, there we go. Good smattering of cheese. All over the top. Okay. Okay. All done. Lid on. And to the fire we go. Careful now.
That looks good.
Okay, here it goes.
And now we wait. Probably about 25 minutes to half an hour. You can check it. It will depend upon the heat of your coals and how high you've got it off the fire. But we've got a little triangle as you saw, so we will check it in probably about 25 minutes time.
Yeah.
25 minutes, half an hour's time.
Let's see.
And then we'll see, and either we give it a little longer or it comes off.
Yes. Well, hold thumbs now. I don't know how this is going to work because the pot is all like. So we're going to have like mac and cheese.
But it doesn't matter. It can be a little bit skew. It'll taste the same.
It tastes the same.
It tastes
yes.
the same.
Well, we'll see.
Hmm.
Okay. I think it's done. It's been on for 30 minutes. We checked it at 25 minutes and it looked good. So let's see.
Oh, it's still bubbling.
Oh.
I think it's done. Went a bit skew, but that's
okay.
no matter. It will not change the taste.
Oh, that looks good. Yes.
I think we can plate up.
I think so. Right, time to plate. Just go for it. That looks good. Baked nicely.
Mm-hmm. There we go. Oh dear.
Yes, please. There we are. Okay. Okay, almost ready to eat. We just need to put tomato sauce on it because we always have tomato sauce on our macaroni and cheese. It's very good. Or if you have fresh tomato, you could put it over the top and then bake it with a fresh tomato, but we still add tomato sauce after that. There we go, just a little bit. And then you mix it all up and smush it and break it down. And then you eat it.